Wait, have your foot like this way, that wind is blowing it. That's just going to catch a fish. That's an wild one. How do you have to put it back out?
Look up here at Mommy. Look up here at Mommy.
Get a fish on there, maybe then give it to him
See the red stones in the water before?
No.
This is something new. Oh boy. Oh boy. Pretty howl now.
Yeah.
then whenever you go in next, you don't know how to do it. My hand is tired from this death grip I have on this coat. Oh boy. Oh, wow, really kazowie. Yeah, I see the cup. I heard it. Oh boy.
I wish I could have snagged one of those darn fish.
I think the mighty fisherman's going to leave us.
It's going downstream.
Uh-huh. Look, just pick up one. Just that. Oh, that was good. You didn't have to share now. That was a big stone. Oh, boy. It's the inherent nature of little boys, huh?
Mm.
Oh, boy. What are you doing? You tell Mom you're throwing stones? Look here. Look here. Tell Mommy. Tell Mommy what you're doing, Zach. Throwing stones. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Tell Mommy what. There she is, over here. Oh, forget it. Oh, boy, that's a nice big one. Ooh, boy. Oh, reaching out. Tell Mommy you're throwing stones. What is it?
Whoa!
Oh, okay. Oh, look, tell Mommy, throwing stones. What are you doing? What are you doing? Zach? What are you doing?